Hey everybody, this is Ori from AstroWeb, and today I'm going to introduce to you how to improve the security of your WordPress site by changing the URL, the default URL of your admin login, your backend login. So as you can see in this test site that we have here for the video, this is the login, this is the backend to your WordPress. Anyone who can log in successfully to this backend can change all of your content. They can delete things, they can do whatever they want. They can put code, malicious code, they can change things for their own benefit. So as a rule, obviously you don't want anybody that's not authorized to access this. And attackers and hackers, what they try to do, they try to do many things. One of the things they try to do is go to your admin login and guess all of your passwords till they find the correct one, and then they can log in and do whatever they want. So one of the simplest things you can do is hide the login. So every WordPress site has the same structure. So if I go to my WordPress site, for example, this is just for example tw88.club, but it might be whatever .com you have. If I go to the end and I type in here WP admin, then I can actually go to the backend login where you put your username, password, and I can start guessing them one by one by one. But obviously, if I guess that manually myself, it'll take a long time. But if I use a program, I can guess a lot every second, every minute, every day, and eventually I can actually get your password, okay? And I can log in as you. So the first thing you want to do is you actually want to hide these URLs, WP admin, WP login. These things you want to actually hide them. You want to change it. So what are we doing right now? So this video is going to show you how to do so. So the first thing you want to do is go to your backend, go to plugins right here, and click on add new. Okay, add new right here. And what you're going to do, you can type in hide admin. You can just type it in, hit enter. You're going to see there's a lot of extensions. So this video is going to show you one of the extension, which is called WPS Hide Login. Please do your research. Check the ones that seem better, that fit your requirements, have a lot of installs, and regularly check that stuff because these are third-party plugins that are available for free, which you need to verify. This video is showing you one of them, and obviously do your research. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on install. I can obviously go to the page and I'm going to install this plugin right here. Okay, once it's installed, we're going to configure it very simply and we're good to go. And we've added one more thing for security. So I'm going to activate it right now. And once you activate it, it's going to be inside your installed plugins and here. Okay, so you can see right here, you have your WPS hide login. So you can go here at any time, go to plugins, install plugins, and you're going to click here on settings. Okay, perfect. So now if you notice here in the settings, you have this WP hide login. Okay, so now what you have here is a hide login. So what you need to do here is very simply, you're going to, instead of setting the, for example, WP-admin, WP-login, you're going to change it. And you're going to change it to something that people can't guess. So what I recommend is to do something that's very difficult. For example, just something like that, okay? And then you can bookmark your login. So anyone who needs to log in the backend, you tell it to them, but you don't share it online. Try to have something that's more than 12 characters. No one can guess. It's not a dictionary word or something that easy to guess, right? This is really difficult. Okay, and then if someone actually goes to one of the URLs that are, for example, WP login or WP admin, what do? You can redirect them to, if the attacker tries to go to WP admin, you can redirect them to a different page, for example, 404 here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this and I'm going to click on save. Okay, and I'm going to copy that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, you see it says here you can bookmark. So now I'm going to open in a new window right here, and now I can go to the login, right? If I have this URL, I can go to the login. But if I try to go here to admin, or I try to go here to WP admin, right, it redirects me, or WP login.php, it'll redirect me. Okay, so I can't log in, only now if I have this special URL. That's it. This is very, very simple. You want to do this for every site. You want to secure your sites. This is one tip for securing your WordPress sites. There's a lot of other things you need to consider. This is just one thing you need to do for every site. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Appreciate you guys listening to the video. Subscribe, and we'll be making more and more WordPress, security, e-commerce, and just web in general videos. Thank you guys.